Hello everyone, I am Swapnesh Shintre and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So I am here with a very informative video on TCS Ion Virtual Job Carnival 2021. This is an official website of this event and I will share the link in the description. So first of all, what is this event about? So according to them,
the TCS Ion has organized a virtual job carnival 2021, which will help TCS entities certified job seekers connect with employers from leading corporates. With this event, TCS and Fairwire brings a platform where the talented meet the talent seekers. The job seekers and employers can connect in a virtual space via chat rooms, video calls, webcasts, and or emails to exchange information about the job roles.
So City Baat Novacast is simply a job listing platform where you can apply for jobs. So as you can see, there are 1000 plus open positions for jobs and top 10 plus hiring companies. The job profiles are sales profiles, technical positions and other profiles. So important dates and time about this event. So first is you have to register. Here it is a register form. We will see it in detail. So first, from 12th July to 19th July, you have to register on this website. Second, from 15th July to 19th July, you have to apply to the jobs. And then from 20th July to 25th July, application processing and shortlisting by employers will be held. And at the last interview process, speed connect, video interviews and spot offers, which will be from 26th July to 13th July from time 10 am to 5 pm. There are top 10 plus corporates participating in TCS Ion Virtual Job Carnival with more than 1000 job offers. Second, salary package ranging from 2.5 lakhs per annum to 6 lakh per annum. So this is very good opportunity for freshers. Then virtual hiring means you have to attend this event completely virtual from your comfort of your home and access varied technology jobs across industry and domains. Then seamless experience means simply apply, give interview and get hired just few clicks away. And the hassle free means video and chat functions to interact with recruiters 1:1. As I said, first you have to register on this website. The registrations open from 20 July to 19 July. And in this registration, you have to share your CV. Then second step is candidate need to apply for the jobs listed on this event from 19 July. And step 3 is shortlisting and spot offers. In this phase, companies will shortlist the candidates according to their requirements and will schedule the interviews. The participating companies in this event, as you can see, there are top players in their present in this event. 247.ai, then Mphasis, Publicis Sapient, Vedantu, Barracuda, ITC Infotech, Reliance Jio and many more. So frequently asked questions. So the most question is, do I need to on the video during this event? The answer is no. It is not compulsory to be on video during the event unless some recruiter wants to connect with you or interview is scheduled. Then are the system requirements to attend this event: Windows 10 Plus and the latest version of Edge, Firefox or Chrome. Then after registration, how will I get notified? Once you register, an email notification will be shared with you along with the details of the event, and link to apply for the jobs will be sent on email. After application steps, HR will shortlist your profile and you will get notification on your registered email ID. Then after getting selected for a job role, can candidate continue to participate in the event? The answer is yes. The candidate can continue to participate in the event and look for other options. They are not shortlisted for any of the job openings in the job carnival. They can still continue to look for other jobs and apply for the link. The link is here. And these are many more questions. You can visit this website and read all these questions and queries. So according to me, it's a good opportunity for the freshers who want to join the corporate world. If you see carefully, the event is exclusively for TCS NQT certified candidates, which means the candidates who want to apply for this event must given the TCS NQT test. And the another criteria for this exam is the candidate should be fresher, means it is in last year of graduation or completed the graduation recently. So here is the registration form. The first fill is full name, enter a full name, then email ID, then mobile number, current location, then preferred location. In this preferred location you have to fill the preferred job location, then select gender. Then the next one is NQT registration number and NQT score. The candidates who have given the NQT test have this field details. If you want to download your scorecard, so go to this website. I will give link in the description. Simply log in and click on this link which says click here to view updates on your NQT details. Click on this. You can get applicant details where it is a TCS NQT registration number. And if you want to download your scorecard, click on scorecard, and here is the first link where you can download your scorecard. So, and the next fields are latest degree and branch name, and the most important part of this registration form is upload a resume. So it is most master playing field which helps you to get your dream job. So upload your resume neat, clear, and after filling, just click on I agree terms and conditions policy and click on register now. After registering successfully, you will get email from TCS ION where you can get a link of participating in this event and apply for job locations. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below and follow our trials, that is like, share and comment.